Hey guys, welcome, baby. Come on, it's Teachable Tuesday. And I didn't forget about my Rockstar group. Oh yeah. Do we have some rock stars in the house? As you're coming in, give me a hey, what's up? What's going on? Come on. Let's go. Oh my God. You need to lean in and grab a damn pen, okay? All right. Because tonight, I'm gonna be teaching you a thing or two about how to turn a Facebook group into your profit machine. Oh yeah. Woohoo, baby! I'm gonna answer all the questions. So don't forget, as you're coming in, say who you are, where you're coming in from, so I can talk to you, chat with you, baby, and we can get this thing rocking and rolling. Okay, guys. So Facebook for profit. Now I know you're scratching your head, like, what are you talking about? Like, do I start my own group? Who has Facebook questions, okay? Do I start my own group? Do I join another group? How many groups should I join? Man, it gets to be overwhelming. What am I going to do? What do I post in a group? How am I going to get reactions in a group? When I post in a group, nobody says anything. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? Do I just message people in the group? I mean, what do I do? All right. Just stop, hold your britches, baby, because I am here to help give you some strategies so you can turn your Facebook groups into profit machines. Oh yeah. But hey guys, in case you don't know me yet, everybody I'm doing this live in my hashtag rockyobiz community. If you don't know me yet, my name is Camille Tyler and I live in beautiful Austin, Texas. And I am your social media strategist, giving you simple steps every single gosh darn day to give you that rock star lifestyle so you can gain massive exposure in the marketplace and you can get your business rocking and rolling online so people know your gosh darn name. Okay. Do you understand that? All right, because I know for sure you got the best products and services on the damn planet today. The problem is not enough people know your name. I'm just saying, Mama's just saying. Okay, all right. So what are you talking about? Like, why Facebook groups? Okay, Facebook groups are king, okay? Facebook groups, people love connecting. Naturally, people love making friends. And people love connecting. I mean, can I get a heck yeah? Yeah. People love connecting. Okay, so Facebook realizes that and they put more weight. So when you post in a group and you get some interaction going on a post on a group, Facebook's going to actively show it to people in the feed. Also, when you go to your feed, you see a lot of group posts because that's what Facebook wants you to see. So your time and energy from your timeline, once you have it set up, hold on, I got to press it for you at the end, okay, your timeline and your personal personal timeline and Facebook groups, you're going to get a lot more leverage in a group. Okay, but sit back and I'm going to tell you what to do. Now, you can have your own Facebook group and it's hard and it's going to be a lot of work to run. But if you it might be easier for you, instead of having your own Facebook group, to join a Facebook group in your niche. Oh, so when you join a Facebook group, you are showing up with class, sister, mister, okay? You know what I'm saying? You are showing up with class. That means you are putting out valuable content. You are in that group to be a service. You need to contact the administrator and tell them thank you for having the group, right? So if someone reports you for saying something that they didn't like, that it 10 to 1, not that many people do it, and you're going to make friends with the Facebook administrator, okay? Always be of service. When people ask questions, you offer a response. Sometimes I don't know the response, so I Google it real quick and come up with the right answer if I don't know it. Because I want to be the go-to social media strategist in the group, okay? All right, you got that right? Okay. So why should you be active in groups? All right, like, I just got too much to come up. Listen up and lean in. I am here to teach you a gosh darn thing to help you build your audience so more people know who you are. Wouldn't it be great to have people reaching out to you? Oh yeah, heck yeah. I see that, heck yeah, in the comment section. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. So, uh, they why you should be active in a group. Number one, it creates your brand awareness. Okay, so you have your timeline and it's linked to your business page, and maybe you got a link to your YouTube channel or your Instagram. Okay, and you got your profile looking nice and tidy, right? And make it be so tantalizing and juicy that people want to find out more about you. Okay, so when you're in the group, get involved because it's going to bring attention to you. Like and comment on people's posts. Be genuine, okay? People love to be connected, okay? People love to be connected. Now, spamming is totally out of the question because that is going to get you noticed in a bad way, all right? So you can get noticed by liking and commenting and mentioning people's names. That gives people a good feeling, and they're going to say, wow, who is this Camille? Who's this Sarah? Man, she really helped me out today, all right? So you're going to see more friend requests, more follows, and more people find your fan page, okay? All right, so people look for groups. People are already in your niche, okay? Love on them, like them, follow them. They are looking for you, okay? A Facebook group is an open door, okay? Other groups, how should you find other groups, okay? So what you're gonna do, it's an open door. Go up to the search bar and type in female entrepreneurs. Type in gray-haired women over 50, okay? Look for groups and then look in that group to see if that kind of content is allowed and that kind of content, what it involves in the group, okay? You should only be active. Okay, I have lots of groups, but I am active in a couple, okay? So you should only be actively promoting, actively connecting in at least 1 to 2 groups, okay? Maybe 3 at the max. Pop in there. I don't say every day, 3 times a week, whenever time allows, whenever you have a quick 5 minutes, pop in there and ask a question. Pop in there and see what's going on and make at least 5 comments, okay? Because people are there. Look for people that you can serve, okay? People, if you're in a health and wellness group and you are a health and wellness coach, you can easily not spam your post in the group, but be connected, okay? So you need to go all in. Now, when you join a group, you can join a group as your page or as a personal profile, okay? You can, all right? So which one is better, all right? It is when you join a group, you're in the group for you as a person, not your business page, okay? I made the mistake. I got some bad advice about 9 months ago. Do not join a group as your business page. You look too businessy and you're all about, just puts off a bad vibe. People are in groups looking for a real connection. Like the reason you're in this rockyobiz group, okay? It's to build reconnections. So make comments. Make a positive. I try to at least once a week make a positive attitude post, a mindset post, and it's something that's enriching and encouraging because I genuinely want to help people. So by putting out an inspirational meditation or some tips in a group, that might help somebody out, okay? All right? So 5 reasons why. Brand number 1, I kind of already mentioned it, brand awareness, okay? Be vocal and be supportive in those groups. Number 2, build your audience. Oh my gosh. We're all about the things that you need to do every single day is BES. Build your audience, engage with the audience, and sell sell to your audience eventually, okay? But you have to build an audience, engage with that audience so you can serve them. Okay? So the fastest way to do it in your niche is to join a Facebook group and get involved in there, comment on people's posts, and people are going to want to like you. You're going to get friend requests. I get about 40 to 50 every day, and that's because I'm involved in groups and I always make comments. I make a lot of comments. I offer my services. Also, you are in the Facebook to be a leader of service, okay? All right? So you need to remember that you are not there to take, you are there to give. Can I get a yes, yes? Hell yes, 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 okay? You are in that group to serve, all right? So tip number 4 is also, it's a great place to get support because there might be people that know more than you, or if you have a problem, ask it to the group. People love to help. People love to give their opinion. So by asking questions in a group, you're going to see some interaction, all right? Don't forget to ask for help, all right? It's a two-way street, okay? So give and ask, okay? All right, so number 5 is niches group. You can do a search to find the niches that you want to serve in. So I think I'm a part of like 400 groups, but I try to get out of groups every day. Like I'm trying to narrow it down, but I know I'm involved and I pin those groups to my pinned groups and I turn those notifications on. So you can hit the 3 little buttons on the group and it'll say notifications and you want all posts to be seen, okay? So that when you have a second, spend 5 or 10 minutes throughout the day, 5 minutes, and just jump on your groups and be of service because it's going to help you build your business and rock your biz. Now, my final tip is when somebody is doing a Facebook Live video, when you make comments, hi Sarah, how you doing? Thanks for stopping in, okay? So when you make comments on people's group, okay? I made this earlier in the day. Your name is going to be shown up there. You're going to get visibility from somebody else's video. Oh yeah, okay. I put that in there earlier today. We're going to change it to this one. I called out my friend Harvey. I called my cheers, okay? So when you make comments, you're in a big group, your name is going to be shown up, and it's the best way to get massive exposure in the marketplace so you can rock your biz online. If you don't know it already, turn those notifications on so you don't miss my next live video where I'm all about helping you rock your biz. I do it at 7:30 every morning, and I jump online to give you your morning marketing minute show where I lay out simple strategies so you can get more exposure in the marketplace and freaking rock your biz online. So take care for now. We'll see you soon. See you in the morning. Bye, guys.